So here it is. The Ken Lawrence guitar. We're hoping. I've already opened it and had a bit of a look, so I know what sort of is in the style of Ken Lawrence at least. That was nice of them to put strings on it and supply a new set of strings. That's the gauge I'd normally use anyway, that's good. You can go over there. Guitar strap, that's cool. Didn't expect to get that. Sort of match the guitar. But I have purchased other guitar straps which might also suit, that's good. What else do we get? Oh, a few picks, so. And a guitar lead. Let's see what that's for. Oh, it's an Allen key. There you are. Allen key. Some no-name brand picks, which is fine. We can use those. So I haven't actually pulled this out. So this is as most of I've looked at this so far. It does look good. On the camera, I'm looking at the camera and the guitar at the same time, and the actual wood on the guitar is a lot darker than showing up in the camera. It looks like a reddy colour in the camera, but it's just a brown in real life. So the light's just changing that a bit. I pulled the plastic off that to have a bit of a peep at it. It looks good. It's not perfect or anything. The inlay looks pretty awesome. I'm very happy with the way they've done that. I was worried about that. This big chunky bit of wood here covering the truss rod ending is very big and chunky, but that's alright. I won't cry too much about that. Oh, and the locking tuners. Very good. That's right, I'm supposed to get those. It comes out of the packet. So far overall, fairly impressed with it. Well, if you ever wanted an Explorer, and I did, this would be the one. The finish on it looks okay. It's not, obviously not to the standard of any normal guitar manufacturer, but it's actually quite good. That looks like a bit of crappy plywood stuck in there. That's okay. Now, for this guitar I have the headset, actual pickups. Should go well. So far, I don't think I've wasted the money that I've spent. It's costed about $650, I think, in Australian dollars. Looks like it's money relatively well spent. And at this point in time, I would probably buy another one off them. That does look good up the top here. I was worried that I was going to stuff that up too. But I'm very happy. I over sanded that a bit, so it's a bit stuffed up, but that's alright. as I said, overall it's quite good.